Thank you for watching this instructional video for the MicroVue 2.0 digital microscope. In this video, we'll walk through the menu settings and operational features of the MicroVue 2.0. Starting with the top menu, you'll find 5 main icons: photograph, timer, record video, gallery, and screenshot. The photograph function captures a still image and saves it directly to your microSD card or USB storage device, depending on which is inserted. The timer feature allows you to schedule automatic snapshots at set intervals, ideal for time-based observations. Record video lets you capture and save video footage directly to your microSD card or USB storage. The gallery provides easy access to review your saved images and videos directly on the device. Finally, the screenshot function captures everything displayed on the screen, including annotations and measurements, saving it as a complete image file. Next, we'll go over the main menu of the MicroVue 2.0. To open the menu, click the double arrows in the upper left or right corner of the screen. You can move the menu to either side by clicking the arrow button in the lower corner of the panel. The Camera tab contains controls that affect how your image appears on screen. In most cases, the auto settings will produce an optimal image, but you can adjust these manually if needed. Exposure settings control overall brightness and gain. White balance settings determine the color accuracy of the image. The auto option continuously adjusts based on what's on screen, while the once option locks the current white balance. The parameter adjustment menu lets you fine-tune individual image settings. You can reset any changes using the circular arrow icon. Next, the tool menu provides several ways to interact with the image. The magnifying glass icons allow you to zoom in and out digitally. When zoomed in, you can use the pan tool to move around the image by clicking and dragging with your mouse. The horizontal and vertical flip buttons invert the image accordingly. The lock icon freezes the current image. When unlocked, the live image resumes. The monochrome button removes color, displaying the image in black and white. The compare feature lets you view the live image alongside a saved image from your micro SD card or USB storage. You can also browse your gallery for additional comparisons. The 4-screen icon splits the display into 4 quadrants, each initially showing a live image. In this mode, you can lock individual quadrants while adjusting others to view different magnifications or areas of the object. To capture a screenshot in this mode, click the camera icon, then select the quadruple screen photography option. Next, let's take a look at the Measure tab. This tab includes all the tools you need for calibration and measurement. The system comes with pre-calibrated settings in millimeters that correspond to the optical magnification levels of the MicroVue 2.0. These include 0.7x, 1.0x, 1.5x, 2.0x, 3.0x, 4.0x, and 4.5x. To ensure accurate measurements, set your optical magnification using the knob on the side of the MicroVue 2.0. Then select the matching magnification from the drop-down menu. If you need to measure in a different unit, you'll need to perform a manual calibration using an accurate scale, such as a ruler. Once your scale is in place, click the plus button next to the drop-down menu. A keyboard and a measurement line will appear. Use the on-screen keyboard to name your calibration. We recommend including both the magnification and unit of measurement. In this example, we'll name it 0.7 inches. Next, click and drag the line from the outer edge of the starting point to the inner edge of the endpoint. Here we're measuring 1/2 inch, so we'll enter 0.5 in the length field. Then change the unit of measurement to inches and save the calibration. This calibration is now stored and can be reused anytime. Keep in mind you'll need to repeat this process for each magnification level. It's always a good idea to verify your calibration before using it. With your scale still visible, select the line tool and draw the same measurement again. In this case, a 1/2-inch line, and as you can see, it measures correctly. You can now clear the screen using the Delete All button. Now you're ready to start measuring. New to the MicroVue 2.0 is the Edge Detection tool. When working with images that have clearly defined edges, this tool automatically snaps to edge points, making it easier to create precise measurement lines. Other tools include the Text tool, which lets you add notes and pointer arrows, and the Angle tool, which measures angles between lines. Using the Measurement Attributes panel, you can customize settings such as line color, font color, background color, decimal precision, line width, font size, and bold text. This menu also includes a screen capture button, which saves an image without any on-screen menus. Here's an example of how it appears in the gallery. At the bottom of the menu, you'll find customizable grid settings. There are 8 sets of horizontal and vertical lines. For example, here is line set 8 displayed in blue. You can add additional lines as needed, or click Reset to restore all lines to their default positions. Each line set can be turned on or off individually. Finally, the scale ruler displays a measurement scale based on your selected calibration unit. It can be positioned at the center, bottom right, or top left of the screen. You can also adjust its color and line width. The scale will automatically update if the calibration settings change. The final tab in the main menu is the Settings tab. Here you'll find a variety of general system settings and device information. The language setting allows you to choose your preferred language. The storage setting determines where files will be saved when both a micro SD card and a USB storage device are connected to the MicroVue 2.0. Available space displays the remaining storage capacity on the selected device. UI position determines where the user interface appears, either on the built-in MicroVue 2.0 display or on an external monitor connected via HDMI. When Auto Hide Interface is enabled, the menu will automatically disappear whenever the mouse cursor is not hovering over it. Under Recording Method, you can choose between 2 options, video recording and screen recording. Video recording captures the live image only, while screen recording also captures measurements, annotations, and on-screen menus. Factory Reset restores the system to its original factory default settings. The Date field displays the currently saved system date. Finally, Pop-up Color allows you to select the border color used for pop-up windows.